In this lecture, I'm going to reveal my second formula that what I do after researching the keyword. As you know that in the previous lecture, I showed you how I research my keywords, how I choose my keywords. I check our search monthly searches, that how many searches are there, and also I check the competition. Keeping in mind, if your monthly searches are more than 20,000 or 30,000 will take a lot of time. Sometimes you cannot rank your YouTube video on the first page. So I choose always the keywords which are below 20,000, and even I don't have any backlinks on my videos. Really, it's automatic. After 5 months, I see my videos are coming to the first pages. Okay, now I'm going to tell you what I do after my keyword research, which is my second formula. Now guys, as you can see here, I created a video here for my YouTube. I'm going to upload it. So guys, now my targeted keyword is create Facebook page. Okay, anybody who will type create Facebook page on YouTube, my video should be on the first page or second page, but everybody needs on the first page, right? So as I said, my target keyword is create Facebook page. Now if I open my video here, guys, you have to listen the video what I'm saying. You have to say your keyword. As you can see, mine is create Facebook page. You have to say your keyword on your YouTube video. Why it is important? It's important because we are going to create subtitles for our video, and your keyword should appear in subtitles. Really, it works. I know. I saw many guys are they never write their subtitles. It is very important. Keep in your mind. So I'm going to open video now, and you can listen the video that I say my keyword on my video, which I'm going to upload on YouTube, and I will target this keyword for my video. Okay, so I'm going to open it and you can listen it now. Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to create Facebook page step by step from beginner to the advanced level. I'll also show you how. Guys, did you listen the keyword that I said? Create Facebook page. Now this is very important. You have to say your keyword on your video that you are going to upload on YouTube and rank. You want to rank your video on the first page. You have to say your keyword on your YouTube video. Okay, so it is very important. This is also my formula that I use on my every video, and you can see my videos on the first page. As you saw on the intro of the video, my video on the first page with the keywords. Okay, then what I do, as you can see here, the video which I'm going to upload on YouTube is untitled. This is a very big mistake for YouTubers who are uploading their videos on YouTube. I saw many guys, they do mistake. They upload their video which is something different title. They have to write their keyword on file name. As mine here is create Facebook page. If once you create your video, you have to rename the file name. Okay, so I will right click here and I will rename it to my keyword. Here is create Facebook page. Guys, this is very important. You have to write your keyword on the file name. When you will upload it, it will tell the raw file on YouTube. When you go to details of YouTube video, once the video is uploaded, you can check there is also keyword. Keep in your mind, you have to write your keyword on the file name. And once I do this one, I right click my videos and go to properties, and I go to details. You can see a title. I just add my keyword also here, and subtitles here, and here you can see the tags. I just write my keyword here also. Apply. Okay, that's it. Guys, this is my second formula that I do after my keyword research. Saying keyword on my videos that I upload on my channel, and write keyword on my file name, which I will upload on YouTube. Okay guys, so I hope you understand. Keep it in mind, this is very important. If you have any confusion, you can write in the discussion board. I will help you. Okay, so I will see you in the next lecture, which is a secret formula of my YouTube channel. That's why my videos are on the first page. I get my videos on the first page within 5 to 7 months. Okay, so don't miss next lecture, which is very important. I will show you there how you can write your SEO optimized title and description. So don't miss next lecture. Just concentrate on the video and learn how I write my SEO title and description. So I'll see you on the next lecture. Bye bye.